Good morning, everyone. It is truly wonderful to have you all here for this special Reflect, Reset, and Recharge session. Today, we will embark on a journey to deepen our connection with an often overlooked yet incredibly wise part of our body, our stomach. Our stomach is more than just a place where food is digested. It is a center of intuition, energy, and balance. It tells us when we need nourishment, rest, or even emotional well being. Yet, how often do we truly listen to it? So, today, we pause, we reflect, we tune in, and we honor our stomach's wisdom with gratitude and respect. So, I invite each one of you to find a space for the next 20 to 25 minutes where we'll remain undisturbed and we can go deep within ourselves, connecting with this beloved organ called the stomach, so that we can take that time to reflect on our connection with our stomach, reset our mindset around nourishment and digestion, and recharge with mindfulness that promote harmony within. So as you find the space for yourself, I invite you to sit up straight, to have your feet flat on the floor, or if you're sitting on a bed or on a couch, and if you wish to fold your legs, that is also perfectly fine. Have your spine erect. Place both your hands on your lower abdomen. Gently close your eyes. Breathe in deeply but gently into your abdomen and breathe out. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. And now, let us connect with this beautiful organ that we call as stomach. We'll say, "Dear my beloved stomach, I love you. I really, really love you. You have the power to heal, rejuvenate, and prevent sickness. Do a good job. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Dear my beloved stomach, I really love you. I love you as you help me with my digestion, as you are my energy and my body feels at peace when you work at your efficiency. You nourish my body with love by digesting the food, the feelings, and much more. So, dear my beloved stomach, you're a source of wisdom guiding me towards balance as I listen to you with kindness and respect. And as we establish this beautiful connection with our stomach, let's place one hand on our stomach, one hand can remain on our lower abdomen. And let's offer all the love that we have for our stomach. We'll say, "Dear my beloved stomach, I love you. I really, really love you. I honor you. I respect you. I appreciate you. And I acknowledge your presence within my body." And as we acknowledge and offer our love to our beloved stomach, let us also sing a beautiful song for our beloved stomach. I love you. I love you. love you. I 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 love you. As we connect deeper and offer our love to our stomach, let us bring more awareness and balance as we say, I listen to my stomach with kindness and respect. My stomach is a source of wisdom, guiding me towards balance. I nourish my body with love. My stomach receives it with gratitude. I trust my gut feelings. They lead me to alignment and harmony. My digestion is smooth. My energy is strong. My body feels at peace. I release any tension, fear, or guilt related to my stomach. I embrace it with love. My stomach and I are in perfect harmony. And let's continue to offer all the love that we have for our stomach. Our stomach is a center for intuition, energy, and balance. Have we ever felt or had a gut feeling about something? That deep knowing that doesn't come from logic, but from within. This is our stomach's intelligence of intuition. As we trust our stomach's signals, whether it is for hunger, discomfort, or that inner knowing, we develop a deeper connection with our intuition. Our gut bacteria even produces neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which affect our mood and intuition. Our stomach is also an energy center in the energy system like the chakra healing. Our stomach area aligns with the solar plexus, or as we all know as the Manipura chakra, which governs the personal power, confidence, and digestion. A balanced solar plexus chakra leads to inner strength, motivation, and clear decision making. while an imbalanced one can cause digestive issues, self-doubt, and lack of energy. Ancient traditions believe that digesting life is just as important as digesting food. Our stress, emotions, and experiences all impact stomach health. As we nourish our stomach with healthy food, mindful eating, and positive thoughts, we boost our energy levels and personal power. Our beloved stomach is also a center of balance, the mind and body connection, and emotional well-being. When we eat in a rushed or a stressed state, our body does not digest properly because it's in a fight or a flight mode instead of rest and digest. Listening to our stomach helps us find balance, not just in food choices, but also in how we process emotions and experiences. Stress, anxiety, and negative emotions directly impact our stomach, causing issues like bloating, indigestion, or IBS. The more we treat our stomach with respect by eating mindfully, reducing stress, and tuning into our emotion leads to a happier and more balanced life. So let's be generous enough to offer the love that we have for our beloved stomach. Let us further unlock the power of love by seeking forgiveness from our beloved organ stomach, as forgiveness opens doors to offer and receive love. It is the key to inner peace and inner joy. So as we connect deeper with our stomach, we'll say, "Dear my beloved stomach, I love you. I really, really love you. Please forgive me for all those times when I have not honored, respected, appreciated, acknowledged your presence within my body. For all those times when I have not been mindful enough, when I have not had the right type of lifestyle, I have not nourished you, not only with the right kind of food, but also with the thoughts, emotions, and much more. Every time I have ignored, neglected the wisdom that you would prompt me with. Every time you have signaled me during the times when it was much needed, and I have not listened to you, have not acknowledged the wisdom. I deeply and sincerely apologize. Please forgive me." And now let's say this 4 beautiful lines. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Now let's take a deep breath in, and as we exhale, let us let go of any judgment or any frustration or any guilt, stress, anything that we are holding on to, and seek deeper forgiveness and allow ourselves to forgive ourselves. I forgive myself for any unkind thoughts I have directed towards my stomach. I forgive myself for any unkind thoughts I have directed towards my stomach. I release any guilt, shame, or tension I have stored in my stomach. I release any guilt, shame, or tension I have stored in my stomach. I let go of past habits that did not serve my body's highest good. I let go of my past habits that did not serve my body's highest good. I welcome harmony, balance, and peace within my stomach. I welcome harmony, balance, and peace within my stomach. My stomach is my ally, and I choose to treat it with love and respect. And as you feel this forgiveness happening, let us imagine a soft, warm light filling our stomach, cleansing away any negativity, any past pain or self-judgment. With every breath that you take in, see this light growing brighter, surrounding our stomach with pure love and forgiveness. And as we exhale, let us visualize any heaviness melting away, leaving behind a sense of ease and renewal. Feel your stomach reciprocating to your conversation as we connect deeper to receive a message from our beloved stomach. This message could just be a feeling, or you could see an image, or you could hear something. It is not important to understand every message, but it is important to receive that message with love and gratitude. As you receive that message with love and gratitude, you will know for yourself what your stomach wishes to convey to you. So let us open our heart with all the love so that we can receive the message from our stomach. It will not only share messages with you with respect to how we need to be mindful about our thoughts, eating habits, the nourishment that we offer it, but it will also guide us by sharing its wisdom, prompting us at every time when we really require the guidance. And now, as we have released, let us embrace our stomach, offering it a gratitude, because our stomach is a powerful center of intuition, energy, and balance. It guides us, nourishes us, and connects deeply with our emotions. So, with a gentle touch or a gentle rub on our stomach in a circular motion, let us feel its warmth, its presence, and its life force. Acknowledge everything it does for us: digestion, absorption, protection, and sensation. And as we thank our stomach, expressing our gratitude for everything it does, let us put this feeling of gratitude in words. I am deeply grateful for my stomach, for your wisdom and intuition. You hold the energy of balance, and I honor its guidance. I appreciate you for nourishing and sustaining me every single day. I trust my gut feelings. They lead me to what is best for me. Thank you, my beloved stomach, for your endless support, strength, and healing. And with these words of gratitude, let us come back to the here and now as we start focusing on our breath. As forgiveness has lightened us, gratitude strengthens us. As we move forward, we continue to listen, honor, and cherish our stomach, not just an organ, but as a wise and loving guide in our journey of balance and well-being. Now let's focus on our breath. Just observe how your breath is going in and coming out. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. And now, as I count from 5 to 1, let us come back to the present, in the here and now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we will gently wrap our palms, offer the warmth to our eyes, and whenever we feel ready, we shall first open our eyes and then move our hands away. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining in today, connecting with a beautiful organ and being on this journey together. Thank you so much for your presence. Have a wonderful, wonderful day ahead and a blessed week ahead. We meet again next Sunday, same time, connecting with yet another organ, seeking forgiveness, expressing gratitude, so that we can be more connected with our own organs. Take very good care of yourself. Bye-bye, everyone.